Hi, today I would like to continue to talk about XDP sync cookie and the DNS rate limit protection. So yeah, so I have this sync cookie and the DNS XDP program. What if I wanted to attach these two XDP program to the same network interface? And so how could I do that? And I probably already mentioned. So for example, let's log on our machine, and so this is my let me log on the machine here. That's the KVM hypervisor I used to run my virtual machine, including big IP. Okay, so right now I don't have XDP program attached, so there's no XDP program here, right? So there's no XDP program, only C group, which is loaded by default, which is loaded by Ubuntu by default. Okay, so I have this physical network interface. So if the virtual machine runs, if this is the physical network interface to pass traffic to all the virtual machine on this hypervisor, I would attach an XDP program to this physical network interface to protect all the virtual machines, right? But I have I have sync cookie XDP program, I have DNS rate limiting program. So can I attach two XDP program to the same physical network interface? There is a solution. Actually, it's called a XDP loader. XDP loader from XDP project. So if you use XDP loader, you can attach multiple XDP program to the same network interface. Okay, and but you needed to specify priority for each XDP program, and so that's one way you can attach multiple XDP program to the same network interface. And what I did though is I used eBPF static call to attach two logical XDP program to the same network interface. It's just like a sailing. I got the idea that a sailing use BPF static call to statically initialize the TC program to run in. Yeah. So this is example under my repo lib BPF bootstrap. So I forked this project, and this project has examples and C examples. So I added this XDP packet BPF program, and so most code is I copy pasted from the from the like for DNS rate limiting, XDP DNS rate limiting. Okay, just Google search for some reason. Yeah. So anyway, I have this XDP packet program, which included the DNS rate limit function, and I can show you the code here. So this is sync cookie. So like in the beginning, here, I have my program started here, and so this is for DNS rate limiting program maps, and so I can just show you the part where I have where I defined the XDP section. So here is a XDP section program. So this is a XDP function to do rate limit for IPv6. Okay. So another function, same XDP function, same XDP section, but another XDP function to do rate limit for IPv4, right? So then here is the important part. After that, I defined a program array map. So to with two DNS rate limit function initialized as the map value. Okay, and this is the map key indexed. And so if I in my main XDP program, if I see an IPv4 packet, I can call this. I can use BPF static call to call this function to process the DNS rate limiting. Okay, so here is one example. Another example is so this is a DNS cookie. Okay, so this is a DNS cookie function for IPv6. Another XDP program. So this is the DNS cookie verification for IPv4. Another XDP program. Then down here I have another second program array, program array map statically initialized with the cookie DNS cookie verification for IPv6 and IPv4. Okay, so that's for the DNS, and then here is for the sync cookie. So I can show you the sync cookie XDP. So all those codes are for the sync cookie, but eventually it's so here another section XDP with a sync cookie XDP function program. Okay. So now we have sync cookie and the DNS rate limiting, and here is our main XDP program, XDP packet. So when packet come in and this XDP program get triggered, and it will do the just normal packet parsing. Let's look at IPv4 example. So once this XDP program see the packet is an IPv4 packet, if it is a UDP packet, down here, we will use a BPF tail call to call the DNS rate limit for IPv4 program in the program array table. So this is the right. So this is the map index, and because we initially initialized this key map to the DNS rate limiting IPv4 XDP function, right? So down here we can also call BPF tail call DNS cookie verification XDP program, right? So that's for DNS processing. And here, if the packet is TCP packet, we can call another BPF tail call to call the sync cookie XDP program, right? So here is how we achieved like we can run different XDP logic on the same network interface, because we only needed to attach this main XDP program to the network interface, and this main XDP program will use a BPF tail call to call the other actual XDP logic program to processing the packet based on if it is UDP or TCP, right? So this is the one way we can do sort of achieve attaching more than two XDP program to the same network interface. And yeah, let's see the example here. So if I oh, my machine froze, so maybe I'll show you later.